Hello everyone, welcome back to my Mass Mukbang. Today I have my special guest here again, my mini Masketeers.
Hi.
Alright everyone, so today we decided to do ice cream. Let's say ice cream with a twist because we have nice toppings here like strawberries and bananas. We have chocolate syrup, whipped cream, caramel. What else we have, guys?
Cherries.
Oh yes, we have the cherries.
Oh, and we have cones.
Yes, we have the cones.
Yeah,
Baby Musketeer. Oh, and we have some nuts for it as well. Okay, and the reason I said it's with a twist is because we're gonna play a little game with our ice cream. We're going to play a little game with the ice cream, and we're going to choose numbers. And we're going to go around picking numbers, and whoever picks the lowest number have to choose one of these to put in their ice cream. We have pickles, and we have onion. Yeah. So we're just going to keep going around that way. They can also put a good topping in there after. We're going to mix our ice cream all up with all of our toppings. And we're going to put it in a cone. And we're going to have a good old time eating this.
Yummy cone.
You guys ready?
No. Yeah.
Alright, so first things first. Grace time. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. You're the youngest little baby Masketeer, so choose a number.
Pick one. Oh, no. Open it.
Don't open it.
Don't open it. Don't.
You choose a number.
Don't drop it in your ice cream. I won't.
Then you.
Now you.
And then me. Oh my goodness. Wish me luck.
Alright, everybody open it.
So everyone open. See what I'm saying? Do you see this?
I got a B. No, that's a B. You should have had a 3.
Do you see this too?
9.
Oh
no!
You cannot see.
I got a 9. No! I got 3. I got 4.
Well, it's coming up backwards, but I have a 2.
Mini Masketeer has a 9.
You have a 9? She has a 9.
No, she said it was a B.
And what do you have?
4. 3.
So it's me that have to do it. Now ball your numbers back up and put them in there, and so
we still have a good one either way?
Yeah, because you all have the higher number. So here I am.
Woohoo!
I'm gonna put onion in mine.
Ew, that is disgusting. Blah, blah, blah.
Okay, next round. Oh, I get to put one good thing in mine. I'm gonna put strawberry.
Yay!
Maybe to offset the onion.
Yummy strawberry.
Okay. Next round.
Okay. I will mix it.
Miss didn't close it. She didn't even close them tight, you all. So you can a little bit see the numbers. You can see them. Okay.
I was the one who did the
choose.
No.
All right.
Let's be remark. Ooh.
What do you have?
8. 5. What do you have? 4.
6.
She has to choose. Wait, I have to choose.
What do you have?
5.
She has to choose. So what are we doing? Pickles or onion?
Pickles. I love pickles.
Right.
Ew, but pickles and ice cream.
Boom.
It's not that bad.
So choose one good topping.
Cherry. A cherry?
A cherry?
Mm-hmm. I love cherries.
Boom.
Yeah, no kidding.
All right.
Oh wait, we have to go put ours in. Round 3.
Round 3, everyone. We're gonna go 4 rounds because it's 4 of us.
And then if none of us have, then we get to choose whatever we want.
Yeah, you can put whatever they want in it.
All right, so we're ready. Yeah. Boop. Oh, one of them just flew over to Masketeer 2's bowl.
6 is
5.
what you have.
Let me open mine, cause
Don't even open it. It doesn't even matter. Doesn't even matter, you guys, because here I am with a 1.
I got an E. That's a 3. not. That's a 6. Never mind. She keeps looking at the numbers upside down, saying that it's like
Pickle.
a letter. Pickle.
She's picking pickle.
Piggle.
Hell.
I have a little nuts.
Oh, nuts.
Because it's driving me nuts that I'm the one.
Masketeer.
All right.
Me and Masketeer.
Last round, you guys. Last round. And you guys are the only one who do not have any unpleasant. Let's just say unpleasant
Yeah, we're not going to say
ingredient.
bad. All right, I have mine. You have
I
yours?
have mine.
You go choose. Okay.
I got an 8.
No, you do not.
I got a
She
D.
keeps looking at them
It's upside down.
She
4.
keeps saying it's... Excuse me.
A
a
4
letter.
again?
I have an 8.
I got a 9.
I have a 6. Okay.
You have to do
Yeah. Oh.
onion or pickle.
Pickle.
No
Pickle.
No onion in this. No onion in this.
Strawberry. Strawberry. Wait, me and Masketeer didn't get anything.
Yeah, that means this is like the free for all.
All right.
You get to choose whatever you want.
Free for all now.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So, what do you guys want?
I want bananas.
You want bananas?
Yeah, I want bananas.
This is good. I'm just grabbing bananas. Stay with me. I like bananas too.
Oh, yeah. Would
I
you like some
bananas
bananas?
sometimes. but
Sometimes.
banana.
That's
You guys
I want some bananas. I'm going to load it up.
Yeah. Just to make you feel better, I'll put a little pickle on mine.
Oh, she wants to do pickles on you. She want to try pickles.
Put some
That's
onion on
Curious
yours.
George over there.
Well,
One of the pickles flew out. They didn't even go into my bowl. It's real fast.
I want some with this. I'll put it in for you.
Oh, I just want to eat it right now.
Eat
It
a
looks so
cherry.
good.
Okay, and now
Wait, I didn't get nuts. I want nuts.
you must mix up the ice cream.
Oh, I didn't get a spoon. Alright, I'll just wait for you. And then also I want strawberries in mine, so I'll just
So, who wants a cone?
Me. We'll see if you can have a cone, because yours is like a little melted. But like, it's okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Mine is melted as well. I'm going to eat mine from the bowl.
I'm eating mine from the cone.
I'm eating mine from the cone.
Okay, one bowl.
I'm thinking that mine would be too melted to be ice cream.
You might have to just eat it in the bowl.
No, I want to try it.
If not, then it's okay, because you can still have like the whipped cream and the chocolate syrup on there.
Yeah. Oh no, I should.
Mini Masketeer 2. Your thing is melting a little.
Oh my
Me?
goodness, it's so melty. What do you do?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Cherry on top? Yeah.
Don't
Boop,
mind.
boop.
I like doing that. That'd be a good.
So melty.
Yeah.
You want it in the cone too?
Yeah.
This is
Okay.
a little melty.
And then put a little thing right there.
I think that mine. Oh, you're We need a paper. We need cleanup on aisle 3.
Over here. let me go.
Paper towel.
We have.
Napkins are there.
Alright, hold up. This actually clean your cone in general. You're getting it on the table.
Let me suck it up. That's it.
And
Delicious.
your cherries on the side. How about you?
I didn't eat my strawberry from the bowl.
Do you want yours in a cone?
And then, wait, what? You don't want whipped cream or chocolate syrup or?
I do.
I'm gonna get me some. I'm gonna get syrup. I'm gonna get me some caramel syrup.
I want me some whipped cream.
Well,
And whipped cream as
obviously,
well.
I want whipped cream just a little bit. Not really that much.
So.
And that's it. That's it. I usually like to do this. Not that. This.
Actually, first I'm gonna eat my cherry first. So.
Look at this.
I'm gonna add some caramel to mine.
That's that.
How does it taste?
And it's some
Mashed
warm caramel too.
That's cute.
Mm.
2. You're 3.
I'm gonna also add some chocolate to mine. Oh yeah.
Look at this.
Oh, look at that. That looks wonderful. Yay.
Mini Masketeers.
4.
Cherry on top. Boop.
I'm 1.
I'm just gonna let loose. and have a good old ice cream eating time.
You know what?
I'm so afraid to chew on these onions. Let's go in.
She has pickles. She has pickles. You have onions, and I have a delicious chocolate ice cream.
It's
Oh,
good.
shush.
It's good with the pickles.
Not so much with the onion.
Why you get onion? Oh, I thought I got a pickle, but I got a banana. Could you actually pass me the chocolate sauce? 'Cause I want to try some chocolate sauce on here. Thank goodness you can stand.
I want to go get a napkin right now.
There's a whole bunch of it right there.
Oh.
No. Why you no stay in
Are you guys enjoying it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't even get to a pickle yet, so that's good.
I didn't get to anything.
Okay.
I didn't mean anything.
What the?
I mean, oh my god.
So, you had whipped cream one time and you ate it off and then you started over?
I don't
Wow.
know, did I?
Yeah, did you?
I think it might have went to the portal that's under our house. I think I bit into a nut. She's almost
This
over.
is it. I'm getting used to the onion. The caramel and the onion taste
This
good.
is some of my
It
nose.
mellows out the onion for me.
I actually heard of people eating caramel and onion. Or caramelized onions. That's what I'm thinking of. So I'm not surprised that it's good together.
Why am I nose?
Caramelized onion mean when you fry them.
I know.
I'm down to the bottom.
Oh, my ice cream.
I'll clean
We
it.
have a problem. Houston, we have a problem.
Oh no.
Oh. And a pickle.
This is so good.
I'd rather have pickles than onions.
I haven't gotten to a pickle yet. Where you at, pickle?
I got pickle too.
I said I didn't get one. I'm just eating all my bananas and nuts.
She's
Show
just
off.
she's just gonna rub it all in our face that she doesn't
The
have.
thing is, it was a choice for me to put the pickle in there. I was actually being nice for having sympathy for you guys. Well, over here,
She had sympathy for her.
she has sympathy to rub it in our face. If I'm using that right.
Oh, my mini masketeer.
My nose.
You're feeding ice cream to the mask.
Who does that? Oh, I think I see a pickle. No, it's still a banana. Where? You know what? Where's the spoon?
No, stop.
That's your stuff too. That is yours, isn't it?
No,
Yeah, but I'm gonna just. I'm at the
She
bottom of
want
my
pickles so
clothes.
bad.
Oh God. I put something on my sleeve. If I put an onion here on accident, I'm actually gonna cry. No, just not because the onions not because of the onions, because I put an onion in there. Look at this.
Let me show.
Yeah, she was for me because
Let
I'm
me show that.
ew. It looks disgusting.
Pickles on ice cream.
Like actual pickles too.
I was thinking something, maybe.
Yeah.
What was that? It's not that bad. I enjoyed mine.
We bet you did.
Have a bite.
Okay.
Hey, no! On the pickle side. Okay.
Oh, she went with.
Oh my god.
Oh, she doesn't want the pickles and ice cream together.
You're evil. You're an evil Masketeer.
You guys not, but I'll take this pickle.
The mini Masketeers are supposed to represent love and peace. You're representing the opposite of that. You're giving us a bad reputation. Oh, I got a nut.
I am really enjoying this ice cream.
Me
It's
too.
like- It's like non-stop. I'm barely talking.
I really want to take off this mask that's hurting my nose.
What's our face? You're like, oh gosh.
Oh my
You want me
god.
to help you?
Masketeer?
Let me help her. Let me put it all around her earlobes.
It's not earlobe. Her ears are all the way up here.
Yes.
And her mouth is down here. Oh, that's a joke. I still don't get it.
Ow.
So you shake, you put down, then you... Don't you dare, no.
All gone,
Stop, what are
everyone.
you doing?
I ate my ice cream.
Me and her.
She's first. She ate her whole cone.
This is mine.
What the shredded? What are you doing?
I don't
I
know.
want another of these. I just sucked up a whole banana.
I want my ice cream. Would you eat my ice cream?
This is Jasmine's right here. Cause she had them mostly
Is
chocolate.
my nose okay?
And this is where your pickles are.
Yep. It's my Masketeer ones.
I'm not eating anymore.
Put
Mm.
my
I'm just loving this whipped cream.
Why?
Give me the cream. Just spray it all around you all.
Can I have some? That will be a challenge for another day.
I sure will.
Because the cherries.
Hey, you had two. I had two.
I
I don't
only
know how many she had.
She had like 3
For
or 4.
me, I had one cherry my ice cream.
Mm.
You ate 3 or 4. I had 2. She had.
She
I
loves
like
cherries.
cherries.
She had 3, because then she had 1. She had 2. She had 2. I had 2.
I
You
said
had
I was
1.
gonna stop, but I just
You're liking the ice cream.
yes.
Look at this. Look at this, everyone.
No, no, I do not eat sweets like that. But when it's time to shine,
It's time to shine, everyone.
bam, I'm shining.
Shabam, everyone. Oh, I see the.
What do you? I just tried to fit this whole cone in my mouth. I just went like this.
Oh, please no.
I just went like this.
I
We'd
would.
rather have an emergency situation here.
So yeah.
Have 911 on speed dial for us.
Wait, I need to blow my nose.
Go excuse yourself.
Okay.
Hello guys, I am the star of the show. Forget wherever those little ones went. I'm the star.
Thank you.
Why is there a pickle on the table?
Maybe because you loaded your ice cream up with pickles. One drop.
We can't be so sure of that. We do not have enough evidence. People at home, do not tell anybody that you saw this pickle. Oh, hello.
I like pickles. Pickles are good.
You walk back in there.
You like pickles and ice cream?
Yes.
I like turtles.
I like mine.
Well, you all enjoyed your ice cream?
Yeah.
All right. And I'd like to thank you all for watching. I'm going to ask you to please like and subscribe to this video.
I finally found the pickle at the bottom of my thing.
And till next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Me still scooping up.